Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Click Zone channel. Today in Amazing Gadget series, you will go through Flying Bird Metaphee and, yeah, cold and hot bed sheet product. Yes guys, today you will get this kind of mind-blowing cool gadgets information, which you can get info from, link in description and purchase it also, to know the product details and cool gadgets. Kindly don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you visiting to our channel for first time, kindly subscribe the channel and click bell icon too, so that you can keep getting update of our future more videos information first. OHK then without wasting the time, let's start the video. First product, Zanko Pen is the ultimate compact backup phone for travel, outdoor activities and emergency situations. Take it with you as a supplement to your primary smartphone. Modern life with less distractions. Most of us spend the day constantly checking email, social media, perhaps the latest news. The truth is, we look at our smartphones way too much. Zanko S Pen can help break that cycle, letting you concentrate and focus on things that really matter. Perfect for the office, Zanko S Pen also functions as a stylus pen which is compatible with all devices, making it an accurate and comfortable method for writing or drawing. Use it to quickly take notes or do graphic design. Dependable voice recorder. Provides a simple way to record your important meetings or lectures for accurate notes that you can review anytime. With S Pen, you won't miss a thing. Pointer precision. When used as a laser pen, it makes a convenient companion for meetings and is essential as a professional tool to support your important presentations. Other features, with dual cameras, front and back, S Pen is great for capturing spontaneous moments, a quick selfie, or for times when using a larger camera is unnecessary. Moving second product, Revo. Meet the world's coolest e-bike, turn heads with the sleekest e-bike on the road. Meticulously engineered for performance and jam-packed with cutting-edge technology. No spokes, no transparent center, no gimmicks, just pure engineering excellence. Built around a strong, lightweight core that's finished in sleek matte black. Inject some life into your daily commute, gun the throttle, use the adaptive pedal assist, or just pedal. It's your choice. Revo can also be used when the battery is empty. Park and walk away. Revo is equipped with a signature and impenetrable triple barrier anti-theft system, so your bike stays exactly that, yours. Built for the night rider. An ambient light sensor detects darkness and automatically turns on and off the ultra-bright headlamps and tail light, so you can stay safe no matter when you ride. Our third product, the Metafly, is the latest addition to Bionic Bird's flying creatures. Its range of 100 meters is perfect for the great outdoors. The feeling of freedom of a flying animal is impressive thanks to the realism of its movement. The precision of the controller will work wonders in indoor spaces to perform figures in all circumstances. You will amaze your friends and family with disconcerting ease. The integrated miniaturized lithium polymer battery provides the Metafly with an autonomy of 8 minutes, and its full charge lasts only 12 minutes. Using the controller's built-in charger or the USB connector included in the upgrade pack. Its weight of less than 10 grams, the absence of propellers and its safety features also make the Metafly a harmless object for those around you. Use the Metafly without any worries to make your friends and family discover biomimicry. Fourth product, world's first ratchet keychain tool. With EverRatchet's dynamic ratcheting feature, you don't need to lift and reset the tool between each turn, making it extremely practical for large jobs or when you are working with limited visibility or space. EverRatchet's dynamic ratchet beam stays rigid when rotating the bit, but when you go to reset the tool, it flexes out of the way, allowing the tool to ratchet around the bit. This avoids the issue seen on other small carry tools where you are required to lift and reset the tool each time, making them impractical for those larger fixes or where you don't have visibility to the object being tightened. Each EverRatchet has 15 plus additional tools and ships. Fifth product, custom gaming mouse. The glorious Model D- wired mouse features 12,000 adjustable DPI sensitivity that lets you navigate smoothly and easily across high-quality screens and is designed to work on most surfaces. The most comfortable ergonomic RGB gaming mouse, ideal for hands and built for speed, control, and comfort. Model D- comes with state-of-the-art Omron switches with the highest durability rating and quality control standards. The Model D will outlive other inferior gaming mice. This allows for easy deployment anywhere, making it ideal for gaming. Honeycomb shell is the key to achieving a feather lightweight while maintaining its ultra-durable strength. It is easy to plug and play easily without the hassle of setup. The rigorous testing ensures that this mouse is designed to work perfectly. The mouse has adjustable 6-step DPI and dedicated DPI indicator can be set to any value and colors you choose, so you always know your value when adjusting on the fly. Sixth product, Time Kettle real-time smart earphones language translator that offers simultaneous two-way translation in multiple languages. Novel appearance and comfortable to wear, true wireless Bluetooth connection allows fast, stable audio transmission. WT2 Plus translator earphones support 36 languages and 84 accents, covering 85% of the world's population. It can achieve up to 95% ultra-high translation accuracy for daily usage within a good network, Wi-Fi and AMP, 4G and ideal conversation environment. Industry-leading AI algorithm enables real-time translation in complex and challenging environments. World's first AI-powered translation system implementing 3 modes to break language barriers. Simul mode, one person can speak non-stop and the translation will be played in the other person's ears continuously, hands-free and natural conversation, encouraging people to communicate. Touch mode, touch to speak and touch again to translate, suitable for noisy environment. Speaker mode, one earphone plus one mobile phone enables conversations for more than 2 people. The other person doesn't need to wear earphones, so you can start the conversation quickly. 3 modes were designed for different scenarios. It is perfect for traveling, language learning and business communication. With auto voice detection and auto pickup, WT2 Plus delivers an immersive translation experience. WT2 Technologies collaborates with top language engine enterprises in ASR, MT, machine translation, and TTS, text-to-speech. It takes only 1 to 3 seconds to complete the voice recognition and translation. Dual microphone noise reduction delivers crystal clear voice and every word is counted without the distraction of background noise. Long battery life with 5 hours using time for the earphone. 7th product, world's most powerful climate comfort, sleep technology just for beds. Sleep better with BedJet, no more night sweats. No more sleeping hot. No chilly beds. No high AC bills. No thermostat fights. Yes to more cuddling. Eliminate night sweats with BedJet cooling technology. Mattresses barely move the needle on comfort for hot sleepers. BedJet is the most powerful cooling, warming, and sweat drying system available anywhere for beds, with near instant response. 0.55% of couples disagree on sleep temperature. BedJet helps you sleep better together. BedJet Dual Zone Bundle for couples ends fights over the thermostat. Get half of the bed cooled like Alaska and the other half warm like Hawaii. Biorhythm technology gives you the deep, restorative sleep your body needs. Easy install on any size bed and any type mattress in minutes with no tools. Clinically proven by doctors to help you sleep better. Save money on utilities, BedJet pays for itself. 8 product, Origami bottle, revolutionary space-saving bottle by default. The most compact, stable and elegant collapsible bottle. Fold it flat, take it anywhere. Be part of reuse refold revolution. Default Origami bottle is the most compact, stable and elegant collapsible bottle, and it is also kick-starting a bigger reuse refold revolution. It is the flagship product that comes out of our collapsible design technology and opens up a whole new foldable reusable world. Saving space in outdoor and hikes. Perfect for green environment. Easy to carry for traveling lighter. A stick box is the first full-length selfie stick built into a smartphone case. Sleek and simple design allows access to all control buttons and functions. Slide your phone in quickly and securely. The ultimate selfie stick, brilliant design, created with the optimal design to provide the quality and experience you would want for your selfie requirements. Get creative, hold an interview, shoot your activities or express your style with stickbox's superior control and accessibility. Multi-purpose, Bluetooth-enabled integral Bluetooth functionality with a charging socket in the stick itself for easily remote camera activation. Charging cable included. No separate accessory. Quickly slide the stick back into your phone case for easy storage. No separate accessory to remember to pack, it's ready when you are. 10th product. Hover Glide, world's first floating backpack. Reduce impact forces of walking or running by up to 86% with one of the biggest backpack innovations in decades. Plenty of storage and space, strategic pockets, sleeved and mesh webbing, military-grade plastic frame, field tested to be rugged and durable, water repellent to protect devices. Largest model and holds a capacity of up to a whopping 55 liters. Rugged, tough, and ready for the challenge of carrying your gear, this pack is primed and ready for backcountry adventures. And securely holds enough equipment and food for 2 to 3 day trips. For today's video, that's it folks. If you like the video, please share with your friends along with kindly like, subscribe and comment. Not at all forget guys, comment us which of the gadgets you like the most. You can tell us which kind of gadgets video you wanna look for. That's it, I will be back new gadgets video. Till that time, goodbye.